In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a digital picture frame that looks like it's leaning on its edge as if it was sitting on a desk with a stand. Here's what that would look like as a design element within a larger scene. And here's a simple technique that I use to create that illusion of the picture frame leaning on an angle. For this, you need to use the trapezoid freestyle feature and just create a box that's a little smaller than the slide, and you want to, in order to create the effect, the top line needs to be just a bit smaller than the bottom edge. And you don't want to over exaggerate this because then it'll look distorted. So then I eliminated the fill because all I need is the outline, and I changed the color to black. Then using the line style feature in shape outline, keep expanding the width. You can see the width of the frame increasing and expanding until I have the width that I want. That looks good. And now I want to use the join type to create a miter effect and create some sharp edges. And then you can add some shading to create some more depth and more of a 3D effect. There you have it.